Welcome to this channel. If you want to learn English by listening, you are in the right place. In this video, you will learn English in a natural and effective way, using a story. How to use this video correctly. First, you will listen to the story in English. I recommend listening to it 2 times. Do not translate. Do not pause the video. Just listen and try to understand the general idea. After listening to the story, I will give you some questions in English to check how much you understood. The answers will be in the video description, so you can check them at the end. And finally, the complete translation of the story in Spanish will be at the end of the video, so you can confirm your understanding. This method will help you improve your listening. Think in English. Learn without stress. Now, relax. Use headphones if you can. And let's start the story. Isabella lives in Venice. She is a young woman with a quiet heart. Every morning, she walks near the canals. She loves the sound of the water. Isabella works in a small cafe. She serves coffee to tourists and locals. She smiles, but inside, she feels empty. Isabella dreams of love. She dreams of someone who stays. One afternoon, a man enters the cafe. His name is Lucas. He has tired eyes and a soft voice. Lucas orders a coffee. He looks at Isabella and smiles. Isabella feels something strange. Her heart beats fast. Lucas comes every day. They talk a little more each time. They talk about life. They talk about dreams. Lucas tells her, "I work in many states. I travel a lot." Isabella listens, but she does not worry. She feels happy. For the first time in a long time, Isabella feels seen. Isabella and Lucas start to spend more time together. After work, they walk near the canals. They talk under the lights of Venice. Lucas holds Isabella's hand. Isabella feels safe. He tells her, "I like you. I feel good with you." Isabella believes him. They share small moments. Coffee in the morning. Walks at night. Quiet kisses. Lucas leaves for work. He travels to other states. He says, "I will come back soon." Isabella waits. At first, Lucas calls every day. Then, he calls less. Sometimes, Isabella feels afraid. She asks herself, "Is he still thinking about me?" When Lucas returns, he is tired. He stays only a few days. Isabella wants more time. But she stays quiet. She tells herself, "Love needs patience." But at night, Isabella cries alone. She looks at her phone. She waits for a message. One day, Lucas leaves again. This time, something feels different. Isabella sends messages. There is no answer. She waits 1 day. She waits 2 days. Silence. Isabella checks her phone every hour. Her heart feels heavy. She tells herself, "He is busy. He will call." But the days pass. Isabella stops sleeping well. She stops eating well. At work, she smiles. Inside, she is breaking. She thinks, "Did I do something wrong?" She remembers his words. "I will come back." But he does not come back. 1 week passes. Then 2. Isabella feels invisible. She walks alone near the canals. Venice feels cold now. At night, she cries quietly. She does not tell anyone. She still hopes. One morning, Isabella goes to work. Her phone is quiet. No messages. No calls. When she arrives home, She sees an envelope on the table. The envelope is white. It has her name. Her hands shake. She sits down. She opens the letter. The letter says, Isabella. I am sorry. My life is complicated. My work is far away. I cannot stay. You are a good woman. You deserve happiness. Please, be happy without me. Isabella reads the letter again. And again. Her heart breaks. There is no goodbye kiss. No last hug. Only words on paper. She cries. She feels empty. She asks herself, why was I not enough? That night, Isabella does not sleep. She holds the letter. She feels alone. Days pass. Isabella still feels pain. But the pain changes. She reads the letter one last time. Then, she puts it away. Isabella understands something important. Love should not hurt every day. Love should not make you feel alone. She looks at herself in the mirror. She sees a tired woman. But she also sees a strong woman. Isabella starts walking again near the canals. She breathes deeply. She goes back to her dreams. She smiles again. One morning, Isabella opens the cafe door. The sun is bright. She does not wait for messages now. She waits for herself. Venice feels warm again. Isabella is still romantic. But now, she chooses herself. Before you leave, I want to thank you for watching this video. If this story helped you understand English better, please subscribe to the channel. Your support helps this channel grow and allows me to bring you more stories like this. Also, leave a comment below. Tell me how much you understood. And which part was the most difficult for you. I read all your comments. And now, stay until the end of the video. Because the full Spanish translation of the story starts right now. So you can confirm your understanding. Thank you for learning with me. And I'll see you in the next story. Where does Isabella live? How does Isabella feel at night? What does Lucas send to Isabella? Who does Isabella choose at the end?